Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. Today we are going to be getting Christmas ready with the perfect Christmas morning breakfast. Super easy, one pot, one Dutch oven, lemon blueberry French toast casserole. In a large 5 to 7 quart Dutch oven, you're going to combine 6 large eggs, 1 whole lemon, both the zest and the juice, 2 1/4 cups whole milk, half a cup of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Use a whisk to whisk everything together. Then you'll add in 1 loaf of challah bread that's been cut into 2-inch cubes, and you're going to mix everything together with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Add 3/4 cup of frozen blueberries. Again, mix everything really well. Then you're going to add another 3/4 cup of blueberries, sprinkling them on the top. Let your French toast mixture sit for about 15 minutes, then cover your Dutch oven with the lid, and you're going to bake this in your oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes is up, remove the lid, and you're going to bake for another 25 to 30 minutes or until the French toast gets beautifully browned on top. You're going to combine 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a small saucepan over medium heat. You're going to mix this really well together, and you're going to let it warm up over medium heat until it starts to simmer. Once it's brought to a simmer, you're going to stir it occasionally until everything is nice and thick. That'll take about 5 to 7 minutes. Then remove from the heat and let it cool down slightly. Once your French toast is done, add it to your plate. Dust with a little bit of powdered sugar if you'd like, drizzle with your delicious blueberry lemon syrup, and dive right in. And with that, my 1 pot, 1 Dutch oven, super easy blueberry lemon French toast casserole is done. And this is such a great, easy, perfect Christmas morning dish that really comes together quickly. While it's baking, you can open your gifts, spend time with the family, and when it's ready, this breakfast is not only delicious, but it's beautiful to look at. It's got beautiful berries, and it's such a nice way to start the day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.